Hello, friends! Are you ready for an amazing story all about letters?
Well, let's find out. We're going to peek into a magical place called Wordland.
But it looks like a big, noisy fight started between all the letters.
Little A was so upset with Big A, he felt like he was always being ignored.
And he wasn't alone. Little C was telling Big C to just go away. Little G had had enough. Nobody was even trying to listen to each other. Then, clever little I had an idea. He said they should leave and find a new home.
So they all started to pack their little bags for their big, exciting trip.
The big letters just watched, feeling so sad as their little friends marched away. Suddenly, Wordland was super quiet. The big letters felt really lonely without them.
But when the little letters got to their new home, something just wasn't right. The children couldn't understand them. Without the big letters, the words were all mixed up.
They started to miss the big letters a whole lot. Being alone was much harder than they thought.
Back at home, the big letters missed them too. They decided they had to bring them back.
But just as they were about to leave, guess what? What an amazing surprise.
The little letters were back. They said they were sorry and that they needed their big friends.
But the big letters said they were sorry too. They admitted they'd been way too bossy.
And with lots of happy tears, everybody hugged. They were so glad to be a family again.
And right then, they all made a super important promise to one another.
They promised to help children learn together, side by side, because that's the only way it works. You see, it doesn't matter if you're big or small. Being on a team is what really counts. See how great teamwork can be? So who's on your favorite team?